probably like, why would I want to be single in varsity? Hold up, let me cook. The first reason why you should consider being single in varsity is that you can really focus on yourself. When you're single, you've got the time and space to really invest in your personal growth, emotionally, mentally, physically, and spiritually. It's like having personal retreat where all the energy you would channel into a relationship, channel it into you. Being single gives you the chance to heal and grow. You can finally process past experiences, work through emotional baggage, and let go of unhealthy habits. If you've had any childhood traumas or old wounds, being single is the perfect time to address those. It's like cleaning your emotional closet, getting rid of what doesn't serve you anymore. You also get the precious time to reflect on who you truly are. What are your values? What are your strengths? Your weaknesses? What truly fulfills you? You get to explore your passions, figure out what makes you come alive without any outside influence from a partner's preference or needs. What's up everyone? Welcome to University Cheat Codes. My name is Amo. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every single time when these university cheat codes drop. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get back into the video. Being single allows you to fully pursue your own ambitions. Whether it's hitting your educational goal, chasing career dreams, building that business hustle, or improving your health and fitness, there's no compromise, no distractions. And when you're single, you're more likely to have clarity on your personal goals. You can actually prioritize what is important to you. You can prioritize what you truly want in life. Trust me, this is the perfect time for self-discovery, and in uni it's like the best place to do it. The second reason why you should consider being single in varsity is that you get the opportunity to embrace independence. You get to make all the decisions on your own. You get to make mistakes on your own and learn from them. Everything you do is for you, and that builds confidence and sense of self-worth like nothing else. In relationships, it is easy to get emotionally reliant on your partner's validation, opinions, approval, and their affection. But when you're single, you build your self-esteem from within. You learn to love yourself, learn to value yourself, and you learn that emotional independence is everything. It strengthens your resilience, helps you face challenges, and creates a sense of self-worth that's not tied to someone else's opinions of you. You can pursue your own values. You're not conforming to someone else's version of life. You're truly living yours. You're truly living yours. The third reason why you should consider being single in university is that you get the chance to build a deeper relationship with God. Being single can give you a unique opportunity to deepen your relationship with Almighty. Without all the distractions that come with a relationship, you have more time to focus on your spiritual growth. You have more time to focus on your spiritual life. Whether it's attending church, serving in ministry, or simply spending time in worship, in the word, in the praises, or in meditation, you can make God your main focus. Solitude in your single years in varsity can deepen your understanding of God's presence in your life. You have time and space to hear His voice clearly, and that guidance can be a solid foundation of your life. Plus, strengthening your relationship with God now will give you the wisdom and the patience that you will require when you are entering a romantic relationship. The fourth and the last reason why you should consider being single in university is that you get more time on your studies. Your schoolwork is crucial. Without a relationship, you get more time to dedicate in your studies. No juggling partner plans, no emotional roller coasters. You can dive deep into your textbooks, into your assignments, and really stay on top of your academic game. Being single means you choose how you want to spend your social time without feeling guilty for not spending enough time with someone else. Your focus is where you want it to be. So if you are single in uni, or if you're planning to be single, don't stress. It's actually the best time to focus on yourself, grow spiritually, embrace your independence, and crush your academic goal. Being single is an opportunity to invest in you. And trust me, that's something you will need for years to come. If you reached this far, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, or if you enjoyed it, please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on these weekly varsity cheat codes that I drop. See you in the next video. Peace.